Good afternoon, my YouTube friends. I'm doing video again after a long time. There is many reasons I could not make any video, and so finally I got a new orchid, so I thought I'll share with you. I got it from Home Depot. I got it about 2-3 weeks ago, and it was more beautiful, more flower was, now it's drying up, so I thought maybe I'll repot it and share with you. So root looks good. But I thought when I got it 2-3 weeks ago, I didn't want to cut it off the flower and repot right away when it is in full bloom. And it looks to me the media is good enough to keep for a while, but now I can see that even it looks fresh, but I think it's not fresh. So I'm gonna repot it. I'm not gonna cut the flower yet. Flower is still good, a lot of flower, 2 spike, a lot of it already dry and fell off from the bottom. The media is old. You can see the white powdery things going in it. Then the plug inside this. This grew from the baby plant, which is plugged here, and then they part it in the regular media. I'll tell you in another video what happened to all my orchids, all my plants. It's a sad story. The root is still very much all good. There is no need to cut anything. Okay, so I clean. Even though just hole is in the bottom, no hole here, but I'm not going to make any extra hole here right now. I don't want to make too much change right away. Let's see how this do like this, and if I see it's necessary, then I'll make more extra hole. gonna pot with this orchid mix. Okay. I try to keep this big root attached to the medium, so it's not going to dry up like this one. This one is sticking out and it's drying. Yeah, I'm not going to force it now anything, so I'm going to leave it like this. looks good now. And with fresh medium, I think it will feel better, grow better. After most flower get dry, then I'll cut off the spike. Otherwise, I'm not going to cut it right now. And I cannot put fertilizer either. So I'm just going to put plain water. So this is it for today. I'm gonna clean this. Put some medium in the bottom like this, so the pot stays a little bit up and get some air through. So, but I'm going to put some lava rock instead of this media. I just quickly put some when I got it, because I see that it's going in and no airflow going inside. See how it's closed, so no air going through, only from the top, maybe through the media. But if I put some few lava rocks on the bottom, this will be rise a little bit like this, and air will go in. Okay, this is it for today. It's a short video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye now.